It's not just in the College of Business. We also have a partner in engineering, teaching industrial distribution and teaching those students and getting them ready to join our profession. It has grown a lot. I'm really encouraged by what we're doing and how we can help your organizations. I shared with you then, we talked about the art and science, the fundamentals of selling. We talked about a sales process back then. We did the role playing, understanding the buying center concept. We had some advanced topics. Back then we were talking about Salesforce automation. You remember that one? Precursor to CRM, Salesforce automation. Do you remember how many salespeople thought they were going to be out of business because of Salesforce automation? I remember that distinctly, going to different conferences and talking about, no, it's going to help us. It's not going to put us out of business. I still feel the same way about artificial intelligence. And the reason why I want to talk about sales intelligence is you're going to hear a lot about AI. People are still uncovering what all AI can do. But I don't believe AI is going to displace us. I believe AI is going to enhance what we do. Now, the evidence I have is, how many of you have heard of IBM Watson? Have you ever heard of IBM Watson? Okay. You remember IBM Watson? That's the very beginning of this whole AI movement and robotics and all. Do you remember the experiment that was actually done where they had IBM Watson diagnosing patients alongside medical doctors? You remember that? And how the medical doctors could use the information coming from IBM Watson to supplement what they were doing in terms of surgeries and all. Go back and look at that. I think that's what AI is going to do. It's going to help us. And we're now beginning to share that with the students. How can we leverage AI in the sales process? We're now starting to see research articles coming out, right? I've already mentioned, now we have numerous role play competitions. We have advanced professional selling, key account selling. We have selling to the top. We have team selling. We also teach our students to be more like social scientists.
The Sandler Summit returns to the Orlando World Center Marriott on April 2nd and 3rd of 2025. Don't miss out on the premier sales and leadership event of the year. Reserve your seat now at sandler.com/summit.